Hey, good top of the morning to you. Top of the morning to you. Welcome to Blue Black Doors channel. We go for ride back home. We're gonna take you around and winery. We're gonna be involved. So run that intro and stay tuned for what we get into. Alright, we're leaving this hotel, the historic Warm Springs Hotel. And it's a B&B, bed and breakfast. It's charming. It has its historic quality. It's not the Ritz. So don't think you're getting the Ritz. I wonder if I go out this way. I want to go back out and go through town. That's the back side of it. That's the room we stayed in on that right there, the air condition. Probably couldn't see it. So this is the back town of towns nobody get to see. They never got to see. Those look like houses back there. So I just wanted to come this way and see what was back here. So it's 64.4 degrees, and can't round it up to 65 because it's not above the thingy. A four-way stop. I stopped. So this is historic downtown. That's the Sandra Bullock house. That's people jaywalking. There's a lot of, all it is a bunch of antique shops or stuff that call them the antiques. That's the front of the hotel. I think we're gonna try to stay in one of them rooms on the front the next time. So where are we going? We're gonna head back towards the house. We're gonna go back over the kind of country roads to carry us home, you know what I mean? Come on, light change. Hey, how your mama and them? We had the Franklin last night, breakfast for supper. Got some bagger boys there. You didn't get to see them because you're looking at me. What a sight to see. So we're gonna go this way, but we're gonna go a different way up over the mountain and all, and see what we see. Right up here, let me get this camera. Right up here is a little white house. Right here, I believe the gates are closed. Right there, yeah, they open. Roosevelt's little white house. And it's little, and it's not white. I mean, that's our truck runoff ramp, because we fixing to go up 10% grade. As Mr. G says, y'all coming to VAM? He wants to know. Go to his page and leave a comment. You coming to VAM 25 in Tazewell, Virginia, July the 10th through the 13th. We'll see you there. Yeah, it's pretty nice down here. So what we doing is we're gonna take, instead of going up the Pine Mountain 190 road, we're going to take a road that at least less travel, I hope. A little country road that carries us through the back side of the mountain. Yep. Pretty up here. The elevation's not that high, but everything else is lower, so it makes it look higher. I guess, the way it works. I think this is the road I'm supposed to turn on. I hope it ain't dirt. Because it's just a country road. Terra Mill Road. Ah, it looks pretty good. It says no trucks. That sounds like a good plan. So we'll run this road up, and it runs into Haynes Gap Road. And cross over. That's the road we came down yesterday. But I don't know if I showed you. I think I did. Mountain View Homes or Mountaintop Homes, cabins or something like that. Yep. So like I said, this is the road less traveled. It says no trucks, so that means it's curvy, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's weight restriction. There's trucks out there. It says no through trucks. They hauling logs over there. Georgia's #1 agriculture crop is probably pine trees. I don't watch what I'm doing. I just cruising along, and all of a sudden there's a stop sign. I was enjoying the ride there for a minute. I was in my own little world. You know, most cars lies to us. Motorcycle tell us the truth. I almost did the same thing with that other road, and it was so nice. I was daydreaming and almost missed this road, but I looked down and seen it said turn. I keep my prompts turned off so I don't have to hear turn left in the next turn right, you know what I mean? Learn. So like I said, you don't have to have super curvy roads to have a fun ride. Just a nice country scenic ride through the countryside's all you really need. Checking out the fall colors if we had any. Oh, well, we might get some curves. That's what that sign says. Well, that was short for that little stretch. So this is where we came out last night. Yesterday. I don't know if I showed you this. But you turn and come across, and then you come over here that says this Mountaintop Inns and Resort, 1 mile check-in, Wedding Chapel. It's also the same road we was just on, Haynes Gap Roads. Pretty, ain't it? Back to the music. Yeah, I don't know why Georgia started putting in roundabout. Probably costs more money it's got to cost more money. And whoever's road crew is that probably getting a kickback from the politician putting in roundabout. You tell me this roundabout costs less than a dang 4-way stop sign, 4 stop signs. But that's a good thing about the roundabouts. You get to go scrapey around them. We come into Greensville. Gotta go around the square, the courthouse. Piggly Wiggly's closed. Oh man. Look at this direction around this square. You're gonna go this way, that way. It's really not a roundabout because you gotta stop, so it's kind of like a square stops around about. I don't know. Once you get in the circle, the square, you don't have to stop, but you got to stop here for some reason. Why they don't make it a yield sign, I don't know. Not an Indian Trail or something. Landmark. Popo was that there. City Hall. Could read that one. They're redoing that house. Historic home. A historic trailer. Alrighty, folks. We are coming into the historic downtown Hogansville, home of the Hummingbird Festival. Yep. They got one B&B here, and one that says it's a B&B, which is just the Grand Hotel. But the other B&B is right up here. It's a house, big old house, a mansion, as we would like to call it down here in the South. It's right here right here. The Hegan House, I think is what it's called. There's the Williams Plantation graveyard. Or maybe this is the bread. I was back there. Yeah, I was right. Way away from town. If you want to come down here to town, Hogansville's got a lot of historic stuff going on. It was used in the Walking Dead. Look, walkers. Oh me, that cracks me up. But like I said, this is church is just getting out. It's 12 o'clock. A little after 12. Home of but this the Royal. I guess they redoing it. It used to be the City Hall, but they moved City Hall back over there, and now it's just what it is. What it is, you know what I mean? Now it's just a theater. Jaws is showing, huh? Remember they opened it back up. As I was saying, you look up there, that's where Beta stood and played his music to bring in all the walkers, the whisperers and all. The Grand Hotel, and then the theater up there was where they went and got a light bulb so they could watch a movie hit Alexandra.
Yeah, that stuff is great for Thanksgiving, it's great at Christmas. It's just great when it's cold and you've got company around. So you want the orange and the...
Wow, they must have let the gate go, floodgates open. Church let out. Everybody's coming out in a single file line, ain't they? So that's where we went, the little mead place right there. Meetings, and but most all the drives, she did let us chase us 2 slushies, and they was awesome. So we got us a slushy mix. Oh, railroad tracks. Alright then, we're gonna head to the house. So everything you've seen before, you've seen it again. But I'm not going to let you see it, because I'm going to end it right here, so it won't be such a long video, because we're just going home as a dive bar. Oh, me. What a wonderful day in the neighborhood. It has warmed up. I'll go ahead and give you a time and temperature check. It's 12:51. And that place too, let me go ahead and this before we end it out and all like that. Do whatnots and Deer Springs. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. That place we was in, the little video I shoot, she's from Scotland in UK. Her daddy was Scottish. And boy, her accent, oh me. But it was a jail, and the little, looks like a bank vault, but that's where they kept the evidence, and she showed us in the back. They still got the jail cells in the back and all, which is pretty neat. So, sweet lady, very talkative, very informative, very much enjoyed it. So can we call that a winery? I guess so, because they had wine, even though it's a meat place. Twin Stacks or Twin Meals. I think that was the meal we just went by. So anyway, you can go check out Mr. McStache, 22 days in 22 states for his raise money for S.T.R.I.V.E. Right there, that video right there. And then check out mine from yesterday, right here. Hit my subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next adventure. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas today. Yeah, it is, right? Happy Thanksgiving later.